Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? Hope all of you are doing well. Welcome to my YouTube channel Learning Hub. Today we are going to take little bit information about different countries. The first one is the country has no river, Vatican City. The country has no capital, Nairobi. The country has no snake, New Zealand. The country has no railway, Afghanistan. The country has no jail, Netherlands. The country has no temple, Saudi Arabia. The country has no night, Norway. The country has no police, Palau. The country has no armed force, Iceland. The country has no mosquitoes, Iceland. The country has no rectangular flag, Nepal. The country has no national anthem, Cyprus. Hope you get it, guys. Thank you so much.